I got run over by a reindeer. What's wrong with them?
They're not cookie-like.
I have to admit, I did my fair share of tasting. Hey guys, it's Claire from Clairified Creations. Today I'm going to be starting off the vlog with these two amazing people. There's Jaislyn. We made a castle! Yay.
Meredith! I really like my new earring.
Oh yeah, it's so stylish. Yeah. It's the latest trend. We're having our little favorite things Christmas party inspired by Robin Jones' gun. We're gonna go down and bake some cookies, so we'll see you there. Happy?
Uh-oh, now I stuck to my hand. Oh, now it's just a blob.
What are you doing?
Trying to make a snowman and it didn't work, so now I just give up. Points for effort, please.
I'm making your cookies.
What's wrong with them?
They're not cookie-like.
Yeah, they are.
They're so uneven. Look, you have a tiny one, and then you have a flat one, and then you don't really have any that actually look. You're rolling them up in balls. It's cookie-like.
I was rolling them up in a ball. See?
It didn't look like it.
See? It's a ball.
Do you know what a sphere is?
Better?
Does that look like a circle? I mean, ta-da! What are you doing?
Like, what kind of cookie is round?
Guys, like, what? Why did you do that? Well, now there's more things wrong with them.
I got run over by a reindeer. Taking home from our house Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa. That's for me and Grandpa, we believe. Walking home from our house Christmas Eve.
You're really good at interpretive dancing.
We can confirm that the cookies are very good. Good job, Jaislyn.
This is what happens when I try to curl my ribbon. The whole thing came undone, and it's just weird now. Sad times.
My friends just left, so I'm going to be baking again. I have done so much baking this holiday season, but I'm going to do a little bit more. I'm going to be making 2 Yule logs, which are little chocolate cakes for my family. One will be for tomorrow, so that's Christmas Eve, and then the other one will be for Christmas Day. So it's been a few minutes since I've updated you guys. I've actually just been making the Yule log. It's been about, I want to say close to 3 hours of baking and cleaning and washing dishes. But I'm finally done. I will show you what the Yule log is now looking like. Just keep in mind the ganache isn't on it yet. So the second one does have a few cracks, but I'm hoping to be able to patch that up once I put the frosting on it. I think it'll taste good. So you can see I just made 2 of them and they're chocolate. with cream cheese filling. I have to admit, I did my fair share of tasting throughout the baking process. I tasted every single step just to make sure I was doing it right, so the frosting checks out. My mom even approves. Hi, Mom! I will see you guys in a little bit. Well, I just finished wrapping yet again another Christmas present. This one was actually for myself. My mom let me wrap it because she's very tired of wrapping and baking and making things for Christmas. So she didn't mind, and I actually didn't mind. I made my present extra beautiful, and it says "to the best daughter ever" because that's what the name tag says. I am very tired. Oh, I've had a very long day, but I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow for Christmas Eve. But for now, Merry Christmas Eve Eve. Don't forget to like and subscribe to join the Clairified Creations family. See you guys tomorrow. Bye!